Okay, welcome back, my cherry viewers. In our previous lesson, we suddenly ended up on Boolean values. So, as we explained earlier, bool. So, after the preprocessor commands in the curly brackets, we type is there is a statement, there is a variable declared here, and the variable type is a bool, and the variable name is coding fan, and then it has been assigned with what? True. As I said, boolean value hold only two states, true or false. And then the next line, bool, is fish tasty, is equal to false. So this, and then the next line says see out, is coding fan. Then the double line, yeah, the double greater than less than sign, and then the line break, then you bring your column. Now again it says see out, is fish tasty, then you bring your column, and the return 0 terminates the program. So when you run the program, you see that the first state in computing, 1 means true and 0 means false. So that's why it has been displayed 1 and 0 instead of 2 or false. So let's go back and continue with the next lessons. Now the next lessons are characters. These ones you are familiar with. Let's do character type. A character type is a type used to store single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes like capital A or small c. So this one, let's not waste much of our time here. So here too, the character variable A is equal to 65, B is equal to 66, C is equal to 67. Let's try it and see. Then say C out A, C out B, C out C. So this is another way of saying, because it is a character, and a character cannot have a value of an integer. So it will be paid as ABC. Now let's go back to our previous lesson. Rather. So we know strings. Strings are like characters, but they are double quotes. A string type is used to store a sequence of characters. It's not an built-in type, but it behaves like one in its most basic uses. String values must be surrounded by double quotes, as I have explained. So string greeting is equal to hello. See how to greeting. So if you run this code, the answer, the output will be hello. That is so all this I don't want this now. Let's move on to real life examples of C++ coding. Here is an example of using different data types to calculate and output the total cost of number of items. First line here, the example. So this is a comment. So int items is equal to 50. Double cost per item is equal to 9.99. Double total cost is equal to items times cost per item. Now in coding, multiplication is this how we for the computer uses as a what? As multiplication. So let's read the code. This an example, a real life example code. So then character currency is equal to character, that is the dollar sign. And let's come to the print variables. Cout number items. So this is a string. So this will be displayed first, followed by my items, which is already declared here. So my items, whenever you see items, is what you replace it with 50. Just like equation or linear equation. So here, first string will appear cout number of items. So you rather cout the double with the less than sign, number into a double quote, number of items, and the space is leave here so that the answer will not combine with the string. So and another double quote, sorry, another double less than sign. This tells you that you are going to enter another variable. So the variable there is items, and items you have been already declared items as integer type, which is 50. So, and then the double cost per item. So the cost per item includes what? Decimal value. So we use double, and double total cost. That one too, because the cost per item is a decimal, it means definitely our total or our final cost will be a double 2. So total cost, that is a character, the double cost is equal to items times cost per items. Now character currency is equal to S. Now let's come back down here. So we see the first line is a comment, that is print variables. So cout number of items, then line break. Cout cost of per item, cost per item, currency. Cout total cost is equal to total cost, total currency. Now I don't understand this.